What is up, guys? Today I am back again to unbox this Apple Watch Series 4. This is the 44mm variant in silver, and I'm finally going to be replacing my Series 0. So even Apple Watches now are packaged this way. I've never actually unboxed a brand new Apple Watch before, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Look at that. It's not as elegant as the iPhone, but you know what? Still fine. This is, whoa, look at that! Are you seeing that? Okay, so watch aside for a second. Look at that. Get that whole thing in focus there. Look at that. I like that. I really like that. So now the watch is in this box, obviously, and the sport band is in here. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab the sport band first, because you kind of need that for the watch either way. Alright, so we've got the, in here we have the smaller medium wrist or the medium and large wrist. I'm going to be using the medium large because my wrist is kind of big. Take that out of the box right here. And now for the main thing itself, guys, the watch. So here's the watch right here. We're just going to leave that in its spot for right now. Designed by Apple in California. In here, quick start guide. I don't think these come with Apple stickers, and no, they do not. But you know what? That's okay. It did come with another Apple Watch charging cable with the magnetic thing, and another fresh iPhone brick, the 5-watt one. But everyone's here for this, so it's actually wrapped in like kind of a microfiber-ish type thing. That's nice. So just pop it out like that. So there's the new back right there. You've got the nice new ceramic and the new heart rate monitors and that, as well as the digital crown. It's actually a, what is it? The ECG is here as well. You put your finger on that and it takes a nice little ECG of your heart. Not entirely sure what that means, to be honest with you, but it's a thing. Alright, it's time, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and take the old Apple Watch off, set it to the side, and throw this new Apple Watch on my wrist. The fresh rubber sport loop feels really nice. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Let's see how fast this thing boots, because the old one, I had Series 0, and it took forever to turn on from all the way off. And this one looks like it's a little bit slow too. No, okay. Okay, that's not bad. So now we're running into a problem because my new iPhone is over there downloading a 120 gigabyte iCloud backup restore. So we're gonna have to come back in a little bit to finish setting this up. We are back now. This finished the iCloud restore a lot faster than I did, mainly because I forgot that iPhones do a thing where it will download your home screen layout and all the apps that you had, but it'll download the apps like kind of in the background so you can use your phone. So that's what I'm doing right now. Either way, guys, I just unlocked it and you can see it just says right here, use your iPhone to set up this Apple Watch. So we're going to just hit continue on that and just get into it. So this is kind of how the iPhone setup process worked. Your Apple Watch is paired. It's as easy as that. It's so cool. So there's your specs right there. 44mm aluminum case and that nice splash right there. I don't think you ever get to see that again after the setup is done. We got some terms and conditions we got to agree to as usual. Signing into your account. That's my iCloud account. And can I just say, this OLED screen is even better than the one on the 10. Alright, Apple Watch shares settings with iPhone for location services, Find My iPhone, Siri, and Analytics. That's fine. Create a passcode. Y'all are gonna have to look away for this right now. So now, activity. If you guys have an Apple Watch, you know what this is, but pretty much it's their like fitness movement tracking thing. It's not, I don't know why it can't just like set it from my other watch. And can I say also, the speakers on this phone are loud. Like they get up there. Low heart rate notifications, high heart rate notifications. Yeah, why not? Apple Pay, just do that now. Okay, no I won't, I'll do that later. Emergency SOS. This is that one thing in the watch where like you hold the thing. I'll just show you right now really quick, why not? You hold that, does that, you keep holding and it does that little thing. I'm not gonna actually let it call, cause you know, that would not be a fun time. We're just gonna leave that turned on. Choose later what apps to install. And now, apparently while it's syncing, you can scroll through on the watch of Apple Watch Basics. And oh, this screen is awesome. This watch makes every other Apple Watch look outdated just because of how much bigger that screen is. Like getting close on this, look at that. And it's so smooth too, like compared to the Series 0 watch. Wow. Okay. I don't regret buying this now. This is sweet. Here we are right here, guys. This is the original first generation Apple Watch. This is Series 4. Already right next to them, these are both the big ones. The Series 4 physically is just a little bit bigger than the old 42mm, but that's always okay because bigger screens are always just nicer. And also, I don't know, like, see what I mean about this one being slow because it's so old? But also, if you flip them around to the back, you can see the difference in the heart rate monitors. So the whole back of this now is ceramic, whereas on this one it was aluminum. I'm not too sure what this part was made of, but the entire back of the new watch is now ceramic with only the one green light. I'm not sure if it's an LED or something else, but all I know is that it's green. And the other ECG components around the edge here. We're now all completely synced. Your watch is now ready. Press digital crown to start. Gonna go ahead and do that right like that. Whoa. Oh boy. Okay. And now I'm gonna just enjoy this for a second. Look at how fluid that is, okay? You compare that to this watch right here. Look at how nice and smooth that like movement of the apps on the home screen is. Now compare that to yeah. Alright guys, it's now time to retire the Series 0 Apple Watch. 3 years old, finally getting replaced. Okay, yeah, no.
Okay.
I didn't say that, but you know what, it's okay. Putting the new Series 4 on right now. Just gonna go ahead and put that on right like that. And there you go. So that's the new Apple Watch, guys. I'm not sure how I feel about this this watch face just yet, but I mean, I guess I'll figure it out eventually. So there you go, guys. That is going to be it for the unboxing of the Series 4 44mm Apple Watch. And you see this? Sorry. Anyway though, guys, that is going to be it. Again, a big thanks to James Grebb for operating the Canon C200 behind me, getting those tight zooms on the products. Something I've never had in an unboxing video before. So links to all his stuff will be in the description below. What am I doing? Your Instagram and YouTube?
Instagram, Spotify.
Oh yeah, Spotify and SoundCloud too, right?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
All that stuff, guys. He makes music. If you remember, he did the music for that one video I did like a year and a half ago. Either way though guys, go check it out, and until the next video, that is going to be it, so thank you for watching.